Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into understanding exactly how to achieve financial freedom and climb out of the chains that bind so many American families in debt, uncertainty, and the stress of not having sufficient financial resources to live the kind of life that they aspire to live. Many families struggle with significant amounts of debt, including student loans, credit card debt, car loans, and mortgages. This staggering burden of debt limits their financial flexibility and hampers their ability to save and invest. Many find themselves living paycheck to paycheck with little to no savings. This leaves them unprepared for retirement, education expenses, or unforeseen circumstances. Many face stagnant or slow-growing wages, making it challenging to keep up with rising costs of living. The growing wealth gap between the rich and the poor in the United States also contributes to the financial challenges faced by many families. The strained state of finances in many American homes leads to an increased stress, anxiety, and huge frustration. Financial struggles constrain relationships, impact mental health, and hinder overall well-being. But you can put all of these painful frustrations behind you. There is a way out, and that is what we are going to focus on today in today's episode. Your future can be brighter. You can make more money, and you actually can build a life of wealth, fulfillment, and joy. In order to move into this new abundant reality, we need to start by clearly understanding exactly where we are in terms of our income, our monthly obligations, our debts, our resources, and our goals. You might find our ultimate guide to creating a wealth-building budget video and accompanying spreadsheet helpful as you gather this information. As you start to think about your goals for an abundant future, remember that true wealth is multidimensional. It includes not only financial abundance, but also maintaining a meaningful relationship with heaven, having physical, mental, and emotional health, having many meaningful, loving relationships, having time freedom, being passionately engaged in creating and improving the world around us, investing in lifting, educating, and helping others, and finally being a lifelong learner and teacher. This is the essence of a real wealthy lifestyle. I've included a spreadsheet to help you organize your goals relative to each of these facets of true and lasting wealth. In this spreadsheet, you can list the what, why, when, and how for each of your goals. Please set aside some time to think through and write down your thoughts on each of these important questions. This single step can make a profound difference in your journey. Having real financial freedom refers to your ability to make choices and live life on your terms without being constrained by financial obligations. It means having control over your money, being debt-free, and having enough resources to meet your needs and pursue your goals. Financial freedom provides a sense of security, peace of mind, and the freedom to focus on what truly matters in your life. As you begin to achieve the goals that you have outlined in the spreadsheet, you will begin to notice some powerful changes in your life. You are going to experience peace of mind. Your financial stress and worry about meeting basic needs or unexpected expenses will evaporate into thin air. You will begin to realize increased flexibility to pursue opportunities, take risks, and make choices based on your personal values and aspirations. It will open new doors for personal and professional growth. You will have the resources to enjoy life's experiences, including travel, investing in personal development, and spending more quality time with loved ones. These experiences will all contribute to a higher quality of life. You will also notice your ability to contribute and make a positive impact on causes you care about will increase. Financial freedom will enable you to create a lasting legacy and have a positive influence on future generations. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and do what it takes to make these amazing changes in your life. The first thing you need to do is create a real budget and stick to it. Use the spreadsheet link provided in the notes for today's video. You may also want to incorporate using an app like Mint from Intuit. It provides the basic tools that you will need to get this part of your plan under control. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back or reduce expenses. Look for discretionary expenses that you can trim without impacting your essential needs. Then write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. This could include paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building an emergency fund. Assign a time frame and a monetary target to each of your goals. Next, allocate your income to cover your expenses, savings, and investing goals. Start with essential expenses and debt payments, then allocate funds for savings and discretionary expenses. Aim to save a percentage of your income each month. Pay yourself first. You may even consider getting rid of your car payment by buying a car that doesn't require a monthly payment. Review your budget, at least monthly, and make adjustments as needed. Prioritize your financial goals and allocate funds accordingly. Be flexible and willing to adapt your budget to accommodate changing circumstances or unexpected expenses. If you have a significant other, like a wife or life partner, be sure to include them in this entire process. If you don't, you will not have their support. You will both need to be on board with your plan to make it succeed. If you don't use a CPA for your taxes, now could be a very good time to get them involved to help you with your plan to ensure that whatever you are doing makes good financial sense and minimizes your tax obligations. One of your first priorities should be to eliminate all your debt as soon as possible. Start with your highest interest rate obligations and pay them off first. Then tackle the next lowest interest rate loans and pay them off completely. As you do so, you will have extra cash to pay off the succeeding debts even faster. Don't make the mistake of splurging this extra cash on short-term pleasures. Use it intelligently to build your wealth and increase your financial independence. Make sure to set aside a portion of your budget to grow your emergency fund. This should consist of 3 months of living expenses and liquid reserves. I recommend that you accumulate this in a money market fund where you can earn 4.5% to 5% in today's high-interest marketplace. After you have this amount, you can start using what you had been putting into this fund into paying off your debts. The next thing you will want to start thinking about is developing additional income streams. Diversifying income sources is crucial for long-term financial stability. Relying on a single source of income, such as a full-time job, exposes you to significant risks. If that income source suddenly disappears, whether due to job loss, industry changes, or economic downturns, you may find yourself in a financially vulnerable position. Each of your income streams may have its own potential for expansion and increasing profitability. By diversifying, you can tap into various industries, markets, or business ventures that align with your skills, interests, and market trends. Remember that economic conditions can fluctuate over time, impacting various industries differently. If one sector experiences a downturn, other income streams may remain stable or even thrive, providing a buffer against financial hardships. Here are 10 ways to create additional streams of income. Number 1. Launch a small business or offer your skills and services on platforms like freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Offer your services consulting, tutoring, or selling handmade products on Etsy. Number 2. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out through platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo, or hosting events. Number 3. Utilize your skills and knowledge to create digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or templates that can be sold online. Number 4. Invest in real estate. Explore opportunities in real estate investment, such as purchasing rental properties or participating in real estate crowdfunding platforms, or even consider trying short-term rental arbitrage by renting a home in a desirable area and re-renting it through Airbnb or VRBO. Number 5. Invest in stocks or dividend-paying funds to generate passive income through capital appreciation and regular dividend payments. Number 6. Participate in peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper or Funding Circle, where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Number 7. Share your expertise or passions through a blog or YouTube channel and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Number 8. Rent out assets you own, such as vehicles, equipment, or storage space, through platforms like Turo, Rent the Runway, or Neighbor. Number 9. Join gig economy platforms like Uber, Lyft, or TaskRabbit to earn money by providing services on a flexible basis. And finally, number 10. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels. You earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate links. Take a look at Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Carousel, or Commission Junction to pursue this opportunity. In addition to these side hustles, You need to look for other opportunities to put your money to work as you begin to accumulate more free cash. Over time, these investments have the potential to grow in value, generating capital appreciation. One of the key advantages of investing is the incredible power of compounding. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly boost your wealth. A well-diversified portfolio can provide stability and protect your wealth from market fluctuations. Investing can also act as a hedge against inflation. This has never been more important. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. By investing in assets that have the potential to outpace inflation, you can protect and grow your wealth in real terms. Now is the time to take action and implement the strategies we shared today. Begin your journey now to create your new life of true multidimensional wealth. You can do this. Create your personal plan and stick with it. Day by day and month by month, you will make more and more progress toward your goals. Thanks again for joining us today. Remember to like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.